Hey guys, Crypto June here with another video. In today's video, I want to talk about an exchange that I personally love because several exchanges got banned in specific countries. Example, I'm from the Netherlands and we see so many exchanges fading away. Binance is not allowed anymore. Also Bybit was something going on with, and also in other countries, some people don't have access to leverage trading. And with Margex, you can leverage trade without KYC. And beside that, I'm also partnered up with them to give away a 20% deposit bonus. And also, if you use June, you can get up to 10,000 worth of deposit bonus, but not like you deposit and you get free money. No, it's a discount on your trading fee. That's important to keep in mind. It's up to 50% discount on your trading fees. I think it's perfect because the trading fees are already really cheap, but with a discount, you trade almost leverage for almost nothing. So if you use Margex and you want to use it, use this link. Guys, let's get back to the Margex platform. So the Margex platform, we have trade, copy trading. So if you want to follow bigger traders, just by one click, copy trading is also possible on the platform. We also have a wallet. Let me show you how we can deposit some money on the platform. So we have the wallet here. Myself, I have $2,800 here on this account. Available balance 800 because I'm currently in a trade. I put 2,000 in the trade of Bitcoin and I received already $170 worth of bonuses as a discount. So that's awesome. So how can we deposit money on Margex? We need to go to wallet, click on deposit. Now we choose our coin. This can be Bitcoin, this can be USDC, Ethereum, Binance, Tron, Litecoin, Solana. Everything is possible and you can just click on deposit. I'm using USDT. Click on the network that you like. I'm choosing BEP20. Now we copy the address and copy address. Now we go to our MetaMask, Maxi or something else that you have. And we click on our account to deposit some funds to Margex. So now we click on withdraw. We choose the coin that we want. So we choose USDT. We put in the address here. And now we click on network. We click on the amount. So I'm saying I want to deposit $1,500. And now I click on submit. After you deposit funds on the Margex platform, we go back to trade. Now are we in the trading platform of Margex. Now let's put an open position to display how it works. We have limit orders on the left side, but also market. And limit means you put a specific price there. So as an example, Ethereum is now trading for 2,800, but I want to trade at 2,700 or maybe 2,750. I do, as an example, I want to short on 2,850. I write down 2,850. Now I can choose cross or isolate. Cross means if you do leverage and there is like a liquidation notification, it takes first your money from your main account. So if you have multiple trades open and you have funds there with cross, if you are in a loss, it take away the margin from there instead of just liquidating your order. Besides that, we also have isolated, and isolated you can just open a position. As an example, I do 10x. Now, if we go 10% in a loss, I can liquidate it because 10x divided by 100% is 10%. Now we choose our limit price. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so stupid. I filled in at order size, but we do a 10x. We want to do $500 as a short. So we do $5,000 because we have 10x times 500 is 5,000. Now we have the limit price. We put in here 2,850. We click on sell short. We open up our $5,000 position. And now we see active orders. If you want to put a stop loss or a take profit, we can do it here. As an example, I want to open my stop loss at 2,900. I click on 2,900 here. Stop loss. Fill in 2,900, click on confirm, and now we also can do the take profit. We want to take profit if it gets back to 2,680. We now have our order ready. If the price gets to 2,850, we will open up a short. If it goes to 2,900, I will go out with a stop loss. and if it goes to 2680, I'd have a take profit there. Guys, again, if you want to start with Margex, no KYC, platform works very smooth. Use the link in the description, completely free, 20% extra, and as a crypto degen, who doesn't love free stuff, discount and stuff like that. So again guys, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.